Morning, on the northeast coast of the Dominican Republic. A juvenile little blue heron, mid-molt and halfway to its adult plumage, hunts for small aquatic creatures in shallow water. Nearby, in the reeds, a pair of common guillemots search for food alongside their chick. Ignoring its neighbors and their constant location calls to the chick, the little blue heron has little trouble locating breakfast. It moves with almost mechanical precision, locking its binocular vision onto prey and waiting to strike until just the right moment. Only a few meters away, one of the guillemots has returned to its nest and calls to its family. White-cheeked pintails are ubiquitous neighbors, and the birds rarely pay each other any mind. Nearby, the little blue heron continues to catch fish after fish. Surrounded by human activity, these birds live daily with the sounds of construction and leaf blowers in the background. After several minutes of browsing for food with a parent among the reeds, the young guillemot chick takes a moment to preen itself, as few feathers as there may be to preen. Nearby, in an eco-park at the resort bordering the pond, greater flamingos have found a peaceful place to live. Feeding on the larval and pupal stages of flies and brine shrimp in the water, they're right at home in this slimy pond. Nearby, a great egret suns itself, taking a break from hunting. All those feathers means constant maintenance, and like most birds, flamingos will spend hours each day preening. Gray kingbirds are a common resident, loud and in constant motion. Ignoring the construction sounds in the background, this green heron, much like the little blue heron, has plentiful prey. This compact heron is a master hunter, often found in the shade of trees near the shore, catching fish, amphibians, and large insects, such as dragonflies. In the eco-park, these wild herons are so accustomed to the presence of humans that they sun themselves right next to the walking path. These beautiful, multicolored birds shine brilliantly in the sun.